Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WhatsApp Business Manager, manage business messaging step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type business.whatsapp.com and press enter. On the WhatsApp Business Manager homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter the phone number associated with your WhatsApp business account. Ensure the country code is correct before typing the number. Click on the Next button. You will receive a one-time password or OTP on your linked phone number. Check your phone for the OTP message. Enter the OTP in the designated field on the screen. Click on the Verify button. Once verified, you will gain access to your WhatsApp Business Manager dashboard. Explore the various features available to manage your business messaging. You can view and respond to customer messages from this interface. Additionally, you may set up automated responses and manage your business profile. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Logout option from the drop-down menu. You have successfully logged in and out of WhatsApp Business Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.